Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial. I will show you how to keep OBS and stream on kick if you want to do the move. 3 simple steps. First, open your OBS settings, open the Stream tab and under Service select Custom. Second, open your Creator dashboard on kick.com, head down to the settings and select Stream Key. Step 3. Now, copy the stream URL and your stream key into the fields in your OBS settings. Save everything, and that's it. If you have managed to stream before on Twitch or YouTube, you won't need to change anything else than these server settings. Good luck and have fun. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe, and I see you on the next one. Bye!